My name's Shawn Norris. I'm 42. I work at Welding Enterprises. Prior to Arc Flame, I was actually a security guard at the nuclear power plant. Felt like I really wasn't going anywhere at Gannett. The schedule I was working was 12-hour shifts. Every other weekend I'd have to work, so I'd miss a lot of things, a lot of family events. I've always been interested in motorcycles. I ride motorcycles. I've always wanted to work with my hands. Yeah, I took the 20-week class. I wanted to do the shorter version of class. I know that Alfred provided a class, but it was like, I think 2.5 years. I mean, with my age, and in fact I have a family, I needed to have it be a lot shorter period of time so I could get into the field and start finding a job. I thought I was actually gonna get a job stick welding, but I ended up getting a job in a shop where they do mostly MIG and flux core. But we did a lot of MIG and flux core in this course. I enjoyed it very much and I learned a lot, you know, as far as anything from setting up the machine to knowing what material to weld, how to put it together. That's all things that I learned here that I had no idea how to do. All valuable information that I took with me over to Welding. I had no experience whatsoever in welding until I came to this course. Well, most of the guys there were a lot of older guys. I was the only one that came there that came from a school. But it gave me a little bit of knowledge. They were willing to take me under their wing because I was going to school and learning. So they knew I'd be able to learn much faster and pick things up a lot more quickly because of that. To be expected, but I have every weekend off, so I get a lot more family time, which is really nice. Oh, it was definitely worth it. The time spent here was stressful, but it was absolutely worth it. I would do it again in a heartbeat.